Hello and welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Tori and today I have an update for the Alice in WonderPAN's Project Pan. This is a fantastic ladies collab. All the info will be down below, but pretty much it's a rolling Alice in Wonderland based project pan. So I do have two things that rolled out, but I do not have them physically in front of me. So we're just going to talk about them now. So the first goal I hit was for the Jabberwocky, a product from a brand you no longer support. So I picked Kat Von D, and I picked from the Shade and Light contour palette the shade Sombre. My goal was to use it 6 times, and I completed that goal on the 20th of March. I do really like using that product. I need to throw it into a project, get some more use on it, finish that one pan up, and then get rid of that giant palette. Because I do support Kendo Vegan Beauty, but I don't support Kat Von D. So let me know, because I think I might do this, but let me know if y'all be interested in a video about brands I no longer support, because I realize there's a decent amount of them, and sometimes I don't even talk about it, and we're gonna talk about one of the brands today, so I'm tempted to. So then the last item that I hit my goal on was for Tweedledee Tweedledum, a product you have a duplicate or backup of. So I picked a shade from the BH Cosmetics 2000 Hits palette. I picked the shade Hollowback because it was like a caramel brown mid-tone shade. And my goal was to use it 5 times, and I did that on March 30th. So that was actually really fun. I'm really excited to use that palette because the formula seems great so far. Very nice. So now let's jump into everything that is remaining in this project. So first I have, for the quote, "Every adventure requires a first step," is a product outside your comfort zone. So I picked the Trixie Mattel Back to Fuchsia palette, the shade Hologram. Oh my gosh. Hologram. You can tell where I've been using it. My goal is to use it 5 times. I've used it 3 since the last update, so it's 2 more uses to go. I used it as blush and as eyeshadow, and I like it as both. So however I use it for the last 2 uses, I'm fine with. I kind of can do whatever I want. The only thing is I have to watch when I use it as eyeshadow, because that's why it has a little bit of weird, like, not hard pan, but it's glazing over because I'm spraying my setting spray like way too close into it. I'm not being nice with it, if that makes sense. And also with that highlighter, best apply with the brush, not with the finger, because that's another reason why it's glazing over for me. Next I have the Cheshire Cat, and I picked that prompt is a lip product. Oh my gosh. So I picked the Melt Frisky mini lipstick. My goal is to finish it, and since the last update I used it twice. School's almost over, so this number will go up soon, but I'm not too worried about it right now. My next category is Alice, and the prompt is a childlike product. So I have the ColourPop and Animal Crossing Flower Power Blush. My goal is to use it 10 times. Since the last update I used it 3, so I have 7 more uses left to go. Very excited about that. This will definitely be done. This goal will be complete by the next update, so I'm not too worried about that either. So now I'm bringing 2 items, and I'm actually very excited about one. The other one is very pretty, but from a brand I currently don't support, so let's just jump into it. The first new prompt I picked was White Queen, a product that makes you feel mature, poised, or elegant. So I picked an inner corner highlight because I love when I put them on, but I forget they exist. So this is Color Spell, just like a champagne basic shade. My goal will just be to use it 10 times. I really have not used, I have a trio of this. I have not used them enough. So I think I might try to rotate them in this project if it fits, but that should be exciting for me. And then the last prompt I picked, and that's rolling in, is White Rabbit, a product you relate buying. So I have the Ofra highlighter in Cloud 9. So personally, I do not support Ofra Cosmetics anymore. I mean, if I do that video about brands I no longer support, a lot of it comes down to the owner's belief system and who they give money to. Ethics, man, it's all about ethics. So for Cloud 9, my goal will be to use it 30 times. I have not used this in a while. I know these are very delicate highlighters. and I'm very clumsy. So I need to start using my delicate highlighters like Becca and Ofra up, because I don't think I can have this delicate formula in my life that much anymore. I don't know, I just be dropping stuff all the time, and I really like need to take that into consideration sometimes when I buy makeup, because what's the point of having something pretty if you're gonna drop it all the time? You know what I mean? Like, I dropped this blush the other day and it was shattered all over the floor, and now look how I'm a mess, right? So when I get more use on that and 30 uses, it definitely will be in for like a month or two, probably 3. But once I'm back at home, I can start my old rotation of makeup again, and that makes me very excited and very motivated creatively to actually start doing nice looks on my face again, because I've been wearing the same stuff over and over. But yeah, should be fun, should be interesting, and can't wait to do all that. So yeah, as the rain continually starts to pour harder, I am going to go. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you are watching this, and peace out, Girl Scout.